Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Hema from Hemas Walnut. Today's recipe I'm gonna show you how to prepare mutton gravy in Chinese style. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Ingredients required for the recipe are 2 chopped green chilies, 100 grams capsicum, 100 grams tomato, 100 grams onion. Add onions and saute it for 30 seconds. Add ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon and saute it well, and next add tomato, capsicum and green chilies and mix it well. Add a pinch of salt to taste, and next add 300 ml of soya sauce and saute it well. And add 200 ml of tomato ketchup and mix it well. And this is optional. You can add Maggi masala or noodles masala 2 tablespoons. Add a pinch of tasting powder and add mutton 200 grams and mix it. Mutton pieces are chopped in medium size. Add 1 glass of water and add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. You can combine the water and corn flour in a bowl and I have added separately and added 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and pinch of salt and mixed it well, and the gravy is ready. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for next uploading videos. Please like, share and comment in the section below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.